Hello everyone. So guys, today we are here with our new topic, area charts. How to display area chart, how to visualize area charts in the Tableau. So first of all, we have to understand what is area chart. An area chart is a line chart where the area between the line and the axis is shaded with a certain color. Typically, it is used to represent the accumulated total values over the time, and it is convenient way of displaying stacked lines. What is area chart? Basically, till now we have plotted the graph, मतलब lines in a graph. If we display that lines with some particular colors, this will change to the area chart, and it will represent accumulated total values of the over time, and we can easily display the total value with respect to time in a stacked line. In few seconds we will see how. You will learn how to save your workbook in this coming video, which is important Tableau functionality, and this is the key difference between Tableau Public and Tableau Desktop too. Basically, you can save your file in two formats, .twb and .twbx. What is that TWB and TWBX? In TWB, only the visualization is stored, not the data source. In TWBX environment, both the data source and the visualization are stored. Which data? On which we are performing. Visualization on performing some functions on the data source. Visualizations are appearing different visualization. So on TWB, only the visualization are stored, not the data source. In TWBX, what we are performing on which data, both are stored in the same environment. So there will be there is a more difference in comparative to share the data. .twb is the easier one method, easier one file, because it has less space. And .twb in .twbx the size of file is larger, so it is a more difficult to share the file. So what we are understanding this, if we are sharing .twb file with someone, with our end user, that data source file should be there in their machine, because without data source, what we will get? Nothing. We will see only picture. And if we are in the same organization and everyone uh, has that data source on their machine, so it is good to share with .twb format, because it is easy to share that file. It has less space. Now we will go to the chart. How to represent area charts. See, what data we have used in last time, we are using only that data. So what we will do here, we can open new worksheet. In new worksheet, in the same data, so for same data source, what is going to represent? We have to represent area charts. First of all, what we will do, we will simply drag and drop period here. See, this is coming. Now what we'll do, unemployed person over there. See, this is coming. Now for different age group, what we will do, we will put age on this color. See, this is showing stacked line. Stacked line, we are getting this, that this is the by simply clicking, but somehow it is somewhere cluttered, as we have seen with the time in last graph. Somewhere information was a cluttered format. Now we will go to show me. If this is not there, click there, show me, and these are the area charts. See, now In last session, in last graph, when we are plotting something, I have shown you show me, then area chart was not there, because without time area chart can't be plotted. But this time these can be plotted by dark, you can see easily which are appearing, they those we can plot, but the graphs which are not appearing like this, we can't plot with this data. So what we will do now, we will go for area chart. See how beautiful it is. Area chart is the chart graph when we can only plot when we have time. So in this we have time. In this type of data we have time. See, see. For different age group by color, we can identify 6465 year and above unemployment is less, and for 16 to 19 year it is also less. See, when we click here, 55 to 64, what it is showing? 2011 10473 only. Okay, but somehow when we are clicking here in 2011, where it is going to be this one, but in 2011 here on the left unemployment axis we can see the number is more than 70 million plus. But so we can easily understand that 70 million plus is basically showing overall sum for 65 and above, 45 and above, for 30, 35 and above. So this is showing overall sum, and this is showing for 55 to 64 in 2011 number of unemployment. Now for representing labels, what we will do, simply drag and drop A's on labels. See what this is coming, and you can change according to requirement, alignment, automatic, horizontal रखना है, vertical, wrap up, how to do. ठीक है, you can change. See, this is for 65 year and above, and this, but this is not showing because space was less. That's why label is not here. What you can do according to different format. See, if we will show this in presentation mode, how beautiful it is looking. Simply we can understand each and everything. This graph is from 2005 to 15, starting here, ending here. See, one is start there, one is start graph there, when another one is also started, and same is the ending point is the 2015. So we can see easily somewhere it's gaining a number of unemployment in 2010, number of unemployment is maximum, and slowly it is going down up to 2015. So 2010 was the worst year for sorry 2010 was the worst year for the person, because it was number of unemployment was more. So what we can see, guys, in labels, in color, in age, we can go for different filters. What you can see, if we go age here, filters, it's upon completely upon you. What do you want to do use? Okay, if you don't want, keep this only. Okay, see, keep this only. Okay, keep this only, keep this only. See what this is the beautiful thing in Tableau. We can simply drag and drop. We can simply by clicking can change it in our data set. And the important thing in our dashboard and page, we can change accordingly, and our main data will not be affected by this. See, We have changed this. We can have number of things here. We can change our sheet name. See, we can have this name bold. We can have with different color. We can have multiple things. Oh, what I've done. Different size. We can have italic. We can have underlined in different color. We can change. We can change over here. We can uh, see. See. This is a beautiful thing. I think. Now go to the file. Save to Tableau Public as if we are using. See guys, if we will go to save file as, there will be two options. How to save your file .twb or .twbx. So in as I have told you already, in my because I have not installed paid version or I have installed only free version of Tableau public. That's why it is asking for Tableau login. So I'm not going to show this. What you have to do, you have to put here from file, save to Tableau public as .twb and .twbx file. If you will use .twb, you will uh, you will get only the charts to share. But if you will use .twbx, you will use you will save data these reports plus the data set on which you have worked on. So I have already shared advantages and disadvantages, guys. In first one, .twb only workbook will be shared, but it will have matlab less data to share. Speed will be faster. But the disadvantage is this: for the end user to whom you are sharing, there should be the data source on their machine. But in another one, .twbx, there will be data source plus charts. The reports you have created will be shared with the end user, and they don't require to install to have data source on their system. So, but they it will take some more time. Okay, guys. I hope I have make you clear everything in this video about area chart and the how to save files in your working environment. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.